Imagine a luxury SUV that can crawl over rocks like a hardcore off-roader, glide down the highway like a private jet, and still feel at home pulling up to a 5-star hotel. Okay, that's exactly the promise of the 2026 Lexus LX700. And in this video, we're breaking down everything that makes this flagship SUV one of the most complete and confident vehicles on the road today. At first glance, the 2026 Lexus LX700 looks bold, expensive, and unapologetically powerful. The massive spindle grille dominates the front, now sharper and more refined, flanked by slim LED headlights that give it a commanding, high-tech expression. The body lines are clean but muscular, with a tall stance that immediately tells you this SUV means business. Large alloy wheels, wide fenders, and a strong shoulder line reinforce the idea that this is not just a luxury cruiser, but a serious, full-size SUV built for real-world conditions. Step inside, and the LX700 completely changes the mood. Right. Cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional SUV. Premium leather, real wood and metal accents, and meticulous stitching surround you from every angle. The dashboard design is modern and driver-focused, featuring a large dual-screen setup that handles navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls with impressive clarity. Everything you touch feels solid, expensive, and thoughtfully placed. Exactly what you expect from Lexus at this level. Comfort is one of the biggest highlights of the LX700. The seats are wide, deeply cushioned, and designed for long journeys. Whether you're in the front or second row, higher trims offer massaging seats, heating and ventilation, and even executive-style rear seating, making passengers feel just as important as the driver. Cabin insulation is excellent, so road noise, wind, and engine sounds are kept far outside, creating a calm and quiet driving environment. Under the hood, the 2026 Lexus LX700 is all about smooth power and confidence. The latest version is expected to continue with a powerful hybrid setup, combining a turbocharged engine with electric assistance. This delivers strong acceleration, effortless highway cruising, and improved fuel efficiency compared to older V8-powered models. Power delivery is smooth and refined, never aggressive, but always ready when you need it. Whether you're overtaking, on the highway, or climbing steep terrain, the LX700 feels composed and unstoppable. Driving the LX700 is surprisingly easy for such a large SUV. The steering is light and precise, making city driving and parking less intimidating than you'd expect. On the highway, it feels stable and planted, soaking up bumps and imperfections with ease thanks to its advanced suspension system. At the same time, this SUV hasn't forgotten its off-road routes. A full-time four-wheel drive, multiple terrain modes, adjustable ride height, and advanced traction systems, the LX700 can confidently handle sand, mud, snow, and rocky trails without breaking a sweat. Technology plays a huge role in the 2026 model. Lexus has packed the LX700 with the latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, advanced collision prevention systems. These features work quietly in the background, enhancing safety without feeling intrusive. The infotainment system is faster and more intuitive than before, supporting smartphone connectivity, voice commands, and a premium sound system that delivers rich, immersive audio throughout the cabin. One of the biggest selling points of the Lexus LX700 is its reliability and long-term ownership appeal. Lexus is known worldwide for building vehicles that last. The LX line has a reputation for durability that few luxury SUVs can match. This makes the LX700 especially attractive for buyers who want luxury without constant worry about maintenance or long-term reliability. In everyday life, the LX700 feels incredibly versatile. It's luxurious enough for business meetings, comfortable enough for family road trips, and tough enough for adventure lovers who don't want to compromise on comfort. The spacious cargo area and flexible seating layout mean it can handle groceries, luggage, or outdoor gear with ease. To sum it up, the 2026 Lexus LX700 is not just a luxury SUV, it's a statement. It blends old-school toughness with modern technology, premium comfort with real off-road ability, and powerful performance with refined efficiency. If you're looking for a vehicle that can truly do it all while surrounding you with luxury and peace of mind, the Lexus LX700 stands tall as one of the best full-size luxury SUVs in the world.